Hello, in this tutorial I want to show how you can host your simple HTML page on GitHub. It's not going to be anything fancy like Angular or Blazor, but you can host simple HTML page and you don't need to pay for any hosting or registered domain. In my previous videos I showed how to publish your website to hosting. But today I'm gonna show how you can host simple page on GitHub without paying for any hosting or domain. So I'm here in my GitHub repository. Let's go to repositories. As you can see, I haven't created anything yet. Let's click on new, and here let's call it GitHub hosting. It has to be public. The rest you can leave it blank and create. Okay, there are no files yet, so we need to add one file. Let's click here, create a new file. And now, very important, it has to be lowercase index.html. And I will say, hello, I host simple page. And now commit changes. You should be familiar with how repositories like GitHub work. If you are not, I really recommend to study it. Commit changes. Okay, we committed one change. Let's go back here. And now you can see we have one file. It's called index.html. In our history, we can see that today was one change. It was to create index.html. We need to add one more file. So let's add file, create new file, and I will find from my clipboard, yeah, this one, nojekyll, and don't fill anything inside. Just commit this change, commit change. Okay, we have two of them. Then you can upgrade as you want, but I'm gonna finish here and go to settings. And now we're in the settings. Let's go to pages. And here I will say that we host from main. Actually, I prefer to switch it on GitHub Actions. And now back to deploy from branch. Let's go to repository. Okay, I think I need to do one more commit to give it a push. So let's add one more file. Test text. This is test. Let's commit this file also. Okay, it took me a while, but you can see this dot. It's saying pending, and you can see that the page began to build. You can click on details, but it's too late. It's already completed. But if you have big changes, you see more information here, and you can also see where we failed. But okay, fine. It got the push to build the website, and now the only downside of this is that your website will have the name that we selected, but it will also have your login on your GitHub, and it will also have GitHub.io. But if you don't care, you didn't pay for any domain, so you got hosting for free. And now you can visit this site, and here we are. Hello, I host simple page. And because I also added another file to give it a push, I added test.txt. Okay, so we have two pages. We already have two pages in our hosting. Okay, try it out. Why not? You don't need to pay for domain right away. You can just test some landing pages here. It's free. You can add other HTML pages, you can add CSS styling and some JavaScript. Thank you for watching.